As I film this, I have less than 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Gosh, we're still not at 1,000 subscribers? It's cool, calm down. Which means I can't monetize my over 100 videos until I crack that threshold. But the Roberto Blakes, the Nick Nimmons, and the vidIQs of the world keep saying that you can in fact make money even with fewer than 1,000 subscribers. And I can attest to it. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the earnings that I can directly attribute to my YouTube channel, even though I'm still not monetized. And hopefully from one small YouTuber to another, this serves as some encouragement for you to get out there and build some income regardless of your small channel size. So hit that like button if you like YouTubers who show their numbers. And let's get into it. Here are the 3 streams of income I can attribute directly to this YouTube channel. The first is coaching, the second is sponsorships, and the third is referrals. I'll break down the earnings from each, so let's start with coaching. I offer financial coaching as a part of this channel, and the reason is because many people get caught in the weeds of their finances, and coaching can help direct them step by step towards changing their financial future. We go through the baby steps by creating an emergency fund, paying off debt, developing a budget that works, and investing in tax-free retirement accounts, so that someday they can buy as much chocolate milk from the store as they want without breaking the bank. All that to say, I've earned $200 coaching directly through this YouTube channel. The second is sponsorships, and I'm not talking about those early channel sponsorships. You know we gotta thank our sponsor, Daylight Savings. We gotta thank our sponsor, Jackhammers. No, I'm talking about actual paying sponsors. I've done 2 sponsorships so far on my YouTube channel. These were full review videos of products related to finance. Now my goal with sponsorships is to ensure that 1, they're related to personal finance, and 2, they'll actually provide a benefit to my viewers. Total, I've earned $500 from sponsorships. The last and most significant stream of income I've received is from referral links. I do a lot of reviews of debit cards and other financial products here on the channel, and some of them actually have bonuses for referring customers. I remember when I got the first referral bonus, I was actually on vacation. That was the first time I got money for literally anything on this channel. I got that notification and was as excited as an aviation enthusiast on their first Cessna flight. Yeah, actually exactly like that. Referral bonuses have come from 4 different debit cards, and they've totaled $1,763. Dang! Now, if you're doing the math, the coaching, sponsorships, and referrals adds up to $2,463. Nothing crazy, but not bad. Unfortunately, I'll probably have to report myself soon for paying myself less than minimum wage for the more than 100 videos I've produced, because I've estimated that I've spent an average of 8 hours to script, film, edit, and post each video on the channel, which means I've spent well over 800 hours producing videos for YouTube. And at $2,463, that means I've earned $3 per hour. All that to say, YouTube is not necessarily a glamorous thing. It is certainly not easy. It can be rewarding though. So my hope is that from this video, I can at least show someone, whether a current creator or someone who's actually considering starting a YouTube channel, you don't have to be limited by YouTube's threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to actually be paid for your time. Having said that, if you want to help me actually surpass that 1,000 subscriber mark, I would be honored if you subscribe to my channel. Right here is a subscribe button. If you'd like to see the best debit cards of 2022, then watch this video next. Or if you'd like to see another video, then you can check out this video down here.